We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the 5x12 Dovetail utility trailer with 2-foot mesh sides. This has your jack, coupler, and safety chains, as well as your spare tire mount. This does have 2-foot mesh along the sides, as well as your built-in tie-down points. The floor is pressure-treated wood flooring. This is a single axle. It does come with a Greaseable 3,500-pound axle, as well as the black diamond plate fenders. Has your dovetail rear for easier loading, and your LED drive lights. This comes with a reinforced gate. Once again, this is the 5x12 with 2-foot mesh sides. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.